Hey, I'm Jordan and welcome to another Raney's product review. Today we're going to be unboxing the United Pacific Complete Chrome Axle Cover Kit. This kit is the quickest and easiest way to cover up those rusted and greasy axle covers and give them a nice style and shine. The parts are actually finished in chrome, which helps prevent from rust, dents, nicks, and gives it a nice top hat look, which is really clean. If you're interested in our product installation video, you can click that here for more information. Designed for 22.5 inch and 24.5 inch wheels, this kit comes with everything you'll need. 2 front axle covers, 4 rear chrome axle covers, all 60 lug nut covers, and an installation tool. Simply choose from the 3 lug nut options: 33mm thread on, 33mm push on, and 1.5 inch push on, and you're ready to go. Quick note about the 33mm push on: it will only fit on lug nuts that are at least 1.25 inches tall. For more information, visit Raney's to transform your truck.